1 Minute Spanish for Latin America, Lesson 5.
Welcome to 1 Minute Spanish from the Radiolengua Network.
We're here to teach you some Spanish 1 minute at a time. We're sticking with the language topic in this lesson.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Do you remember what this means?
Lo siento, no entiendo.
It's, I'm sorry, I don't understand. What about this phrase?
Hablo un poco de español.
This phrase means that you speak a little Spanish, and hopefully you're beginning to feel more confident about your Spanish now. Today we're going to learn how to say, I'm learning Spanish. You would say,
Estoy aprendiendo español.
Carolina, could you repeat that more slowly, please?
Estoy aprendiendo español.
Try it one more time.
Estoy aprendiendo español.
Now, if you were to say that you're learning Spanish to someone, you could possibly add in this phrase.
Es un poco difícil.
This means it's a bit difficult, or it's a little difficult. Did you recognize the word un poco in there? You already know this from saying hablo un poco de español. Try saying it's a little difficult.
Es un poco difícil.
Try it one more time.
Es un poco difícil.
Now try to put the two phrases together, and Carolina will say this slowly so that you can hear the whole phrase.
Estoy aprendiendo español. Es un poco difícil.
Listen again.
Estoy aprendiendo español. Es un poco difícil.
And one more time, Carolina, please.
Estoy aprendiendo español. Es un poco difícil. And that's the end of this lesson.
Hopefully, you're not finding Spanish too difficult. Most of all, we hope that you're finding your experience learning Spanish with this podcast enjoyable. You can find out how to get even more out of your Spanish experience by visiting our website at oneminute.languages.com. In the meantime, thanks for listening and come back next time to learn more Spanish with the Radiolengua Network.
Gracias y hasta luego.
This is a production of the Radiolengua Network. Find out more at radiolengua.com.